Body. Now I've been seeing clips of Body everywhere. So without further ado, let's check this out, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, bow. Not the Cybertruck. Man, get that Cybertruck looking at out of here, man. So, oh damn, hold up. I don't care about the Cybertruck. It's whoever just came out of it. You know what I'm saying?
Give me love and I'ma give it right back. Who knew Cupid could show me like that? Going stupid because I want it so bad.
That's playful.
So bad. Mona Lisa, we are looking like art. Just one touch and now I'm living on Mars. Got me dizzy when I'm finding your arms. Your arms.
Wait, hold up. The dancers are fine as hell too. What the hell? What we skipping to? That's an invitation to dance. Hey, 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 hey. Ain't nobody can do it. Ooh. Can you? Oh, that was dope. Sorry, I'm enjoying myself. Put your body on my body, let you come and make your move. Ain't nobody can do me like you. This is a summer anthem. Ooh, I like the beat too. Do it like you. Oh, we got dark up in here. It's wet up in here too. I like the lighting in here too. Ooh, oh. Period. Oh, that hair too. Okay, body yaddy. Put your body on my body, won't you come and make your move? Ain't nobody at the money that can do it like you. Put your body on my body, near that midnight rendezvous. The hell is the lyrics? The subs are not matching up the thing. What the hell? Like you do. Don't say that it's too good to be true. Baby, you already know. It's already on put your body on my body already and nothing is saying. It's just birds. It's the birds speaking it. The birds must be like saying they're translating the birds tweeting. Put your body on my body, won't you come and make your move? Ain't nobody at the money that can do it like you. This should go hard. I've never seen the full music video. I've only seen clips. Ain't nobody that can do it like you. Nobody. The outfit. I love the outfit. And period. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. Dang, body yaddy. Yo, no, for real. You killed that. You killed that. What? Wait, from the beginning though. I really liked this beginning part right here, actually. This part. Right back. Like that part. It's just like the playfulness of it. This part too. Mona Lisa, we are looking like art. Just one touch and now I'm living on Mars. Got me dizzy when I'm finding your arms. Your arms. You see right through me. Got me thinking, oh, you got me falling so hard. And they sing these stars. Love with you is like the movies. Eric Nam wrote the lyrics of the song, I believe. Oh, no way. Is that for real?
Body on my body.
Why could I hear Eric Nam singing this? Hold up. Low-key. I kind of hear that. For real? The Eric Nam? Let me double check. I'm gonna check on that. DAYOUNG. She's serving though. She really is serving. Dang. Yep, Eric Nam. It was a part of writing this. I'm surprised he didn't add "Let's get bussy." I love that tweet. I love that. He meant busy. Let's get busy, but he put too many S's. He put too many S's. Her body T for real. No, she is fine as hell. All right, I'll put a comment down below what you guys think of DAYOUNG's body. She won a couple M Countdown. I think it's M Countdown or Inkigayo. I'm not sure. Put it in the comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming dreams. Dream, do leave, do repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys the next time. Body.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.